given a letter making obnoxious allegations against the entire judiciary. So your matters cannot be heard.
My lord,
by
আপনি কি
any.
করে বলছেন সুপ্রিম কোর্ট ডিভিশন বেঞ্চ
Yes,
ডিভিশন
yes,
বেঞ্চের
I-
অর্ডারকে রিজেক্ট করেছে? এটা কি পারে?
I don't understand Bengali. Therefore,
আমি ইংরেজিতেই বলছি, আপনি শুনুন ইংরেজিতে।
you may go approach the Honorable Supreme Court.
It is absolutely bad. Any division bench
Yes.
illegally set aside division bench order.
Yes. All right.
You took oath to serve the law, but
Thank you for reminding.
you are not obeying the Honorable Supreme Court judgment. Since the Honorable Division Bench of Calcutta High Court,
Mr. Bakshi.
of Calcutta High Court
Mr. Bakshi.
has,
I can't hear you because you have implemented me as the first respondent in a criminal revision. How can I hear you?
my lord,
Please, can you do one thing?
my lord,
You are-
matter need
No. Here.
larger bench.
No. Please hear.
Hmm.
Please hear.
Hmm.
You have approached the Honorable Supreme Court.
It is absolutely bad. Any division bench
Yes.
illegally set aside division bench order.
Yes. All right. We have heard.
এখানে আপনি অ্যাকিউজ, আমি হ্যারাস এন্ড হ্যাকেলড হচ্ছি, আমি
Very good.
বহরমপুর থেকে আসি রেগুলার।